So Baltimore is still in the running to be one of the locations to host World Cup games in 2026.
Yeah, the bids to FIFA are due today, and U.S., Canada, and Mexico are coming together to increase their chances of being chosen. ABC 2 News' Megan Knight is here with where we are in the bidding process. Megan?
All right, Ashley. So the bid is in, and now we just have to wait. FIFA is not going to make a decision on the 2026 World Cup until this June, but the chances of North America being picked looked pretty good. The New York Times says the only other country submitting a bid is Morocco. So 3 cities in Mexico, 3 cities in Canada, and 17 cities in the U.S., all part of the united bid that includes Baltimore and D.C. So if FIFA does choose North America, this doesn't exactly mean that Baltimore is guaranteed a spot in the final list of cities. The New York Times says that FIFA will then spend the next 2 years narrowing down that list from 23 to just 16. The united bid projects that if North America is chosen, almost 6 million tickets will be sold to these games, and the World Cup would generate more than $2 billion in revenue. So let's hope we get chosen.